To keep you updated, Listín Diario, the newspaper for the Dominicans, present the most important news of the day.
Tuesday, December 28th of 2021. The Supreme Court of Justice declared inadmissible the appeal filed by the defense of the former attorney, John Alain Rodriguez, the main implicated in the Medusa case, alleging that his client was the victim of a procedural violation of his fundamental rights. The president of the Dominican Medical College, Senen Cava, and researcher Roberto Paulino believe that presenting the fourth dose of the vaccine as a strategy to face Omicron is a mistake, at a time when barely 1,400,000 people have been placing the third dose. At least 2,441 new positive cases of COVID-19 and 15 deaths have been notified in the country in the last 5 days after the presence of the virus began to show greater activity after several weeks with fallen indicators. Long lines formed yesterday from early in the morning around the Sports Hall of Fame of the Olympic Center, waiting for their turn to have the COVID PCR test. The police department and the General Director of Security and Land Transportation are aware of the complaints about motorcycle races on the recently opened Avenue of the Nuevo Santo Domingo Sabio project. The police identified Cara de Caballo and Ñoño as the two men who assaulted and then murdered the young man Gabriel Banderas last Christmas Eve. Staff of the 7th Investigating Court of the National District collates hundreds of evidence deposited by the public ministry within the file of the accusation against the 27 implicated and 21 companies in the corruption network of the Antipulpo case. The president of the National Association of Companies and Industries of Herrera, Noel Ureña, does not believe that it is appropriate to close the economy before the advance of Omicron, since the companies have their protocols under development, although he considers that greater controls should be applied to the activities that have been free and where there have been many infections. Flu and respiratory diseases have increased in Santiago and other areas of the Cibao, increasing admissions and consultations in clinics and hospitals. For this and more information, you can visit listindiario.com for Listín Diario, voiceover and translations by Indira Rodriguez.
To keep you updated, Listín Diario, the newspaper for the Dominicans, presented the most important news of the day.